First, we're gonna start with olive oil.
Yes. Okay.
Followed by butter.
Oh, professional.
Similar cook, huh?
Of course.
Class.
Caribbean lobster tail. Warm water.
Nice.
So I just started in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I just start to cook now.
Don't be stressed,
Okay, okay, take this one, no? Take this one, I take this one here, so you put it there. Bravo.
You love the show. We're enjoying it. No pressure.
No, me, I'm
No pressure. It should be like this.
We're gonna start with bacon. Mushrooms. Shallots, onion and garlic.
Okay.
Nabigyan mo ba na? Nanginaw? Ano yun?
Henry. Henry. Can you take me table cook how we're doing everything? And now we're gonna start the flambe. Cognac couvesier.
Ah, yeah, the cognac,
Yes, so
yeah.
we're gonna burn all the calories now. Huh?
Be careful. Into the stove. There you go.
Wow, voila, no more calories now.
Similar susha.
So now you know why I don't have hair. Huh? Because too much
Burn
from
already.
there, too much from there, and voila.
Be careful.
But it's good thing because you're not gonna find any hair.
Okay. Tama haircut.
Yeah.
$10.
Dijon creamy mustard sauce made from heavy cream and Dijon
Yes,
mustard.
please.
Heavy cream with mustard.
I-airdrop ka na yan talaga. May airdrop. Ang video. Airdrop na lang sa akin.
The next step is Parmesan. The reason why I'm adding the Parmesan in order to make the sauce even more thicker.
Yeah.
Followed by tomato.
Kasama ko sa video. Kamaya. Put some more sauce, please. I want to some. Yeah. With shingalinga.
Kalinga.
Chives.
It's personalized, genuine, and knowledgeable.
Similar siya.
Mushroom, bacon, shallot, garlic, thyme, tomatoes, parmesan. Is everything alright?
Thank you so much.
Un, deux, trois, et voilà. Lobster à la meat. Lobster Murano prepared by me.
Yay!
Would you
That's
like to have a touch of
fantastic.
fresh pepper?
Awesome.
Maybe some fresh pepper? No?
Maybe later you can put it here. Is that fine?
Usually we don't put it, but only if you like.
Yeah, a little bit here on this. So I can. Yeah, that's
Bon appetit.
Thank you.